A garden should be a private, secure, and peaceful place. Successful garden design takes into account how an outside space operates as an ecosystem, but also how well it works for human inhabitants. Creating privacy can be an important consideration, especially in more built-up urban environments. High walls and high fences, however, are not the only option. Choosing the right planting plan is also important. Here are 7 fastest-growing shrubs and bushes for creating privacy. 1. Cypresses. The Leland cypress, sometimes referred to as Lelandii, is one of the fastest-growing and best-known conifers. Be warned, however, it can quickly get out of control. It may not be the best long-term choice in smaller residential gardens. It can grow up to 40 meters tall. Natural, native cypresses may be better choices in the right settings. 2. Arbora vitae. Arbora vitae, green giant, is another popular hedging or border plant for privacy. This is another hybrid and can grow up to 3 feet per year in the right conditions. Again, while this plant can be a good choice for privacy in certain situations, it should be used with caution and could easily get out of control in smaller spaces. 3. Pines. Some pines are fast-growing, while others are considerably slower to grow and mature. Pines are often a great option for a mixed privacy border or windbreak. Fast-growing pines include the Aleppo pine, the white pine, and the loblolly pine. However, as with the evergreens mentioned above, these fast-growing pines should only be planted in appropriate situations, as they can grow to very large size. 4. Privet. Privet was, in years gone by, a very popular hedging choice. It has somewhat decreased in popularity in recent years, but could still be a good option for privacy. It is relatively easy to keep in check and can be a good choice for situations where a neat and orderly hedge is required for privacy. 5. Laurels. The cherry laurel is another popular hedging choice and is another fast-growing option. It can create a hedge 1.5 to 5 meters high. There are also a number of other laurels that you could consider for hedging. Other fast-growing options include Laurel Etna and Laurel Caucasia. 6. Cottoneaster. Cottoneaster also provides excellent options for informal privacy borders or formal hedging. Dense and good-looking, these grow quickly to provide a screen and provide interest with blossoms and red berries. Some varieties work well as hedging or in a mixed planting scheme as standalone plants, while others spread over walls or fences to provide additional privacy cover. 7. Holly. There are also a wide range of hollies which work well to provide a great level of privacy in a backyard. Some traditional hollies provide spiky leaves which can also enhance garden security and red berries in winter. However, not all hollies are spiky, and some create neater hedging or planting. It could be worthwhile looking at the range of different holly plants. For example, Nellie Stevens holly is one popular option for privacy hedging or screens.